Jungle Journey.
Hi, little adventurers. Welcome to Jungle Journey. Today we are meeting a bird that loves to talk, sing, and even dance. It has a fancy feather hat and lots of personality. It's the one and only Cockatoo. Get ready for guessing games, some awesome fact, and flapping fun. Did you know cockatoos are super smart and silly birds? They belong to the parrot family, and they can even mimic human voices. They have a special feathery crest on top of their heads that pops up when they're excited, scared, or showing off. And guess what? Some cockatoos can live for more than 60 years. That's like having feathery best friend for a lifetime. Cockatoos live in the forests of Australia, Indonesia, and nearby islands. They're birds, which means they have feathers, lay eggs, and have beaks and wings. And just like parrots, they love being social. You might even see one in zoo or as a pet. But they need lots of attention and love. Now let's play a guessing game. What sound does a cockatoo make? Is it A, a loud squawk like a parrot? B, a deep growl like a dog? Or C, a quiet buzz like a bee? If you pick A, you nail it. Cockatoos can be very loud. Some even copy doorbells, whistles, or your laugh. And guess what? Cockatoos are omnivorous, but they mostly eat plants like seeds, nuts, fruits, and berries. Their strong beaks can crack open even the hardest shells. Now it's time to move like cockatoos. Let's all be cockatoos together. Are you ready? Flap your wings, bob your head, and raise your crest. Say hello in your silliest voice. Great job, little cockatoos. That was so amazing to be with you. Cockatoos are clever, cuddly, and full of fun. Thanks for flying with us today. What animal should we explore next? Let us know in a poll coming up soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more animal adventures. Until then, stay curious and focused. See you next time.